So hello everyone. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. Welcome to the Grace Life DIY. Today we have a special video. It's a collaboration and it's called the Thank You God Seasonal Open Collab. So the host of this collab is Really Good Living, and the co-hosts are at Penny's Place and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's me. So the rules of this collab was to create a tablescape or a tabletop decor area, any color, themes. It was freestyle, so I really loved that. So I decided to make a DIY so that I can decorate my tabletop. So let's jump into it. So in this DIY, I decided to purchase this big mug in black at the Dollar Tree. I also like those stickers because they're black and white, and I wanted to spell out thank you God. So I thought that was really nice, and we're going to be using this mug to make an arrangement with it, so I can't wait for you to see this. So while creating this piece of decor, I just wanted to say, we ask that you come on over to our channels, that you subscribe to each of our channels, that you full watch the videos so that you can get inspiration or ideas to decorate your tablescape or your tabletop. So I'm also going to be linking below the playlist, and so you have so much more videos to watch. So I can't wait for you to see what the end result is going to be. Placing these words, thank you God, with an exclamation point, I decided to put a floral foam inside of it. Originally, that wasn't my idea, but after putting that chemical over it, that glossy gel over the words so that they wouldn't lift, I said, no, yeah, I really didn't want anybody to drink out of that. So I said, I'm going to make a floral arrangement. So then the other thing I decided to do is use these dry wooden florals that I got, wooden pieces that I got at the Dollar Tree. And I'm absolutely loving that. I mean, I'm surrounded by woods, and I thought it was absolutely perfect for this occasion. Okay, so I think this arrangement came out absolutely gorgeous. So now we're gonna move over to decorating the tabletop. I just want to take a moment and say thank you to Lady Phoenix from Really Good Living for hosting this collab. I absolutely love doing this collab. And I also want to thank at Penny's Place. I had such a great time making this. I hope you guys are blessed and having an amazing day. So let's enjoy the rest of the video. So as you can see, because it's Father's Day weekend, I decided to lean more toward the farmhouse than the glam. And so that's what you're seeing here. I did make those candle holders in that arrangement, actually most of the stuff on the table. So I hope you're enjoying it. So if you enjoyed the video, click like, share, and comment, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. In this channel here, we do come with me videos, we do hauls, we do DIYs, and I'm absolutely loving the collabs. So we do a little bit of everything. So if you like that, come on over, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.